could hear my father's voice. He would tell me to move on. He would say I'll be just fine. Yeah, he would tell me we have time. Time to laugh and time to heal. Our favorite song is on repeat. Drinking wine.
Hello my lovelies, happy Sunday and welcome back to my channel. So I am so excited about today's video because I've never filmed this sort of video before, not that I remember. I really don't think I have, and I'm so excited about it. So in today's video I wanted to film my fall/autumn house tour. Just a disclaimer before I begin, I wish I could go above and beyond. Like, I've seen some people's houses, like Zoe Suggs. Oh my god, her house looks insane, but I don't have the porch or the space for that, and this is just sort of my first proper year like decorating for autumn. I've never really got into it, and I think it's because we lived in a flat before, but since moving house I've really got into like decorating and getting really seasonal, and I really like it. We literally just went pumpkin picking, like just, and we just got home. Bradley's gone to his mum and dad's to watch football, so I thought it's a perfect time to show you guys our very autumnal house. Now this is my level of autumnal. It might be too much for some people, it might be nothing to some people, but this is what I like and I just wanted to share it with you guys. I also feel like I'm quite late to the party getting stuff ready for autumn. Am I? I don't know. I see those YouTubers already posting stuff about Christmas and I'm like, oh my god, I've just been pumpkin picking. And I did post loads of bits and bobs over on my Instagram story today. So if you want to see sneak peeks of what goes on in my life behind the scenes, behind filming and vlogging, then head over to my Instagram page, which I'll also pop on screen and in my description box. I'll try and remember to link every single thing in the description box down below, so if you did want to pick up anything such as the pumpkins, pampas grass, like literally basically everything that I show you, I'll try and link it in the description box down below just to be as helpful as I can. Anyway, make sure you guys are cozy, light your candles, get your cups of teas, coffees. Pumpkin spice lattes are quite, you know, fitting for this video. And I have had one today, I'm not gonna lie. Make sure you're cozy, and I really hope you guys enjoy the home tour. So this is the outside, and then I've got a little wreath, which is cute, and then we come in. Hello. Okay, so that was the front door. I think my neighbours were watching me out my window, which is really awkward, so I didn't really talk. But hello Lottie, you saying hi to everyone. As you can see, it's super cozy. I've lit candles and I'm obsessed. Just before we begin, I burnt myself on my hand, so while I'm pointing, I burnt myself here, so just excuse that. Anyway, as you walk in, here is the hallway area. It's a little bit dark, but I kind of feel like that's cozy. So over here we have one of my favourite areas in the whole house, and it is this beautiful shelf. It's actually a secret drawer, which you wouldn't think, would you? So it's got a drawer, which I love. I get questions on this all the time. It's from myfurniture.com, which I'll pop in the description box down below. Lottie's just found a treat, by the way, so I'm really sorry if you can hear that. We've got the most stunning pampas grass here, which is from Tony Dunn Flowers. I'll put his Instagram handle in the description box down below because he sent me the most beautiful bouquet ever and I'm just obsessed. And then over here we have my wax melt lamp, which I know you guys are gonna absolutely love. I literally picked this up yesterday from the garden centre. It's actually, if you touch it, 1, 2, 3, it's got 3 settings, which I think is so cool. And then I've got some White Company winter diffuser and also a spray. I know it is autumn, but I really loved it. If you can hear all the tippy tapping, it is actually Lottie here. So over here, hello Lottie. Here is the stairs, the banister. I'm literally so obsessed. At the bottom here, we have some pumpkins. These are ones we actually picked today and they are so cute. And I just think they look really lovely together. I love the different shapes, sizes, the colours. Like, I never knew you could get like a greeny grey pumpkin. I just thought it's so cute. And then here on the banister, I basically wrapped around loads of organza all the way going up. And then on the stairs and the banister, I got this beautiful like leaf garland, which I'm just obsessed with. I only got it from Amazon and I think it looks really realistic. So I sort of put that all the way up, tried to, as you can see. And then what I'd done is I bought a glue gun and I actually stuck these little pumpkins that are also from Amazon to it, so then every year I can just pop this up, and they're sort of going all the way up, which I really like. I just thought it's a really little but simple effect and I really liked it. I feel like it's not too much, it's not too little, it's sort of like a good combo, and I really thought it was cute. So I just really like this area with the pumpkins there and then this corner here. So yeah, love that. And then we'll go over here, and then in here is the kitchen, as you guys know. So as you walk in, this is what you see. I have some pumpkins on the windowsill, White Company soap and cream. This one is a fake pumpkin, and then this is the real one that we got today. Some beautiful faux flowers. And then in my sink, we actually have a pumpkin sponge, which is cute, and I've just popped Zaflora in the sink. We currently have warm cinnamon. So yeah, I love this section here, and the room smells amazing. And then over here we have some pumpkins, and then the iridescent moonstone candle, which is just so lovely. So it's such a cozy area. I've also got another wax melt burning here, and then I actually picked up this from M&S, which is a Christmas magazine, which is really funny, even though this is an autumnal video, but you know what, I love Christmas. And then on top of the microwave we've got the citrus gingerbread Yankee candle with 2 more pumpkins as well, which is cute. And then as you come out the kitchen, we've got this beautiful wreath, which again is from Tony Dunn Flowers, who also sent me those ones over there. Honestly, his flowers are just beautiful. I love the pampas grass, the dried flowers. I just think they're so beautiful. It's so simple but effective. So yeah, I'm obsessed with this view over here. Moving on to the hallway. So here we have a radiator cover, as you guys can see. And on the radiator cover we have a beautiful marble wax melt. This lovely pumpkin light. It's actually battery operated, as you can see on the bottom, and I just think it is so beautiful and makes it look so lovely. And then over here we've got a cute little white pumpkin, and then 2 gorgeous pictures over there. So yeah, this is honestly so cute, and I just love this display and love the little prints here. And the prints I actually got from eBay, and they came so quickly, which I was so surprised about. So I just popped them in these frames. Well, Bradley did actually. And yeah, I just really love this area. So cute. Okay, so moving on into the front room and the dining area. So the sofa, I feel like it looks like an actual mess, but believe it or not, it's actually really tidy for us. So I wanted to change the cushions up this year and go for more of a beigey sort of look. I really like the look of white, beige and grey. I really didn't think I would, but I feel like it just comes together and it looks so lovely. Please don't mind my laptop and work bits over there, but I suppose this is just real life. And this is what my house looks like. So yeah, I just really like it. The white cushions are from Dusk. The beige cushions are actually from, they're covers and they're from IKEA. The silver cushion in the middle is from the range. I love the print on it. And then obviously it's the same that side. The white throw is from the range, and it's one of the softest throws I've ever felt in my life. And then this beigey throw, which has got my phone underneath, is from TK Maxx. And then we've got Lottie's little cocoony bed here, which we love. She loves it as well. And then on the windowsill here, we've got a couple of pumpkins, and then a Olivia Blake red grape and cedar candle, which is actually burning. And then sitting down, looking at the room from this angle, over on the coffee table, we've got a beautiful display, which I'm just so obsessed with and I just can't get enough of. So this mirrored tray is from TK Maxx. And then I actually painted these pumpkins, which aren't the neatest, I'm not gonna lie. I painted a few of them beige and then a couple white. I just preferred the look of them. They were orange before, but I just preferred the look of them. And then I've actually got an autumn wreath. Did I say wreath? reed diffuser here, which is from the White Company. And this is honestly the most beautiful scent ever. I'm obsessed. I think this is one of my favourite scents the White Company does, and I love the winter scent as well. And then we've got some flowers here. I can't remember where they are from. And then I've got a White Company book, a Dior book, a lovely autumn candle from the White Company, which is burning. The most stunning wreath from Tony Dunn Flowers. Again, it's just so pretty. It's perfect to put a candle in it as well, which I just love. And then over here, this is quite simple. Oh, I should have put those candles on. I'll do that soon. I've got some frames which I need to put some prints in. A lovely, again, a marble wax melt over here. We've got the warm cashmere Yankee candle burning, which smells incredible, with 2 white pumpkins, which are actually from Amazon. And then over here, I just made a little display with the flowers. So we've got some lovely leaves, conkers and bits and bobs like that. So yeah. And then over here, there isn't much going on. There's literally just a little pumpkin there. I wanted to get cute placemats. I feel like I should get that, but I'm not gonna lie, all of them I saw looked tacky, so I need to find somewhere nice. But yeah, it's just subtle, but I'm just so obsessed. And then up the stairs we go. Over here on the top of the stairs, I've got this beautiful pampas grass in a clear vase, and then also a Tom Ford and Chanel book. I just feel like it adds something to this corner. There is a print here, so I feel like it looks good with that there. Going into my beauty / filming room. To be honest, there isn't much going on here as far as autumn, apart from a pumpkin here and 3 little pumpkins here, which are again from Amazon. Here is me all nice and cozy in my loungewear, which is from River Island. I've got my favourite Starbucks autumnal cup, which is so cute, and it's got a little pumpkin on it. Oh my god, I love. And then over here, we've literally got an autumnal throw, and that's as far as I've gone in this corner, because I'm not gonna lie, there and down here, there's advent calendars, so it doesn't really make sense. In here, which is my favourite, so this is like the middle / family bathroom. We have a lot of products, so I feel like it always looks so messy. But on the bath, we've got this beautiful bath tray, which is from Dunelm. And then look how cute all of these are. So I've got some bath bombs, which are from Lush. These fairy lights, which are from Amazon. More bath bombs. And I just thought it looks really cute and like autumnal. I'm definitely gonna have a bath tonight. I've honestly been waiting. I didn't want to use up any of the bath bombs or anything like that, but apparently this one is really lovely. And I've had them for ages, and I just think it looks so cute. And I love the fairy lights. I just think they're so sweet. So yeah, I am such a big fan of this. And I've never tried Yognog. I know this is like a Christmassy scent, but I couldn't find any like autumnal scents from Lush. I might have been looking wrong, but yeah, I thought this looked really cute. So yeah, I'm so excited to have a lovely, cozy bath. Moving on, in that room is my wardrobe room. We're not gonna go in there because it's a mess. So up the stairs again into mine and Bradley's bedroom. So in here, this is what it's looking like at the moment. I feel like it's just so cozy. I bought a brand new throw, and I got this beautiful tray with some really lovely bits and bobs in. In this little basket here, we've got some potpourri and some beautiful pine cones and bits and bobs like that. Got our cushions, a little diffuser, our brand new throw, which is honestly the softest thing in the world. We've still got our prints and stuff like that up on the wall. We haven't changed that yet. There's just no need to. And then over here we have some candles. This shouldn't really be here, but we've got this Louis Vuitton book. I loved it because it's orange and I feel like it just goes with the theme. And then we've got this limited edition pecan and pumpkin seed candle, which I'm yet to light, but it smells amazing. We've got some flowers, this lovely lamp, and then over here we've got another lamp, and then this beautiful chair and cushion. I don't know why the tripod keeps doing this, but anyway, which are from the range, and I think they are so lovely. So yeah, this is our cozy bedroom, which I absolutely love, and I feel like we've just made it into our dreamiest, coziest room, and we're just so pleased with it. So my lovelies, this is my fall/autumn home tour. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it. I will list all the products that I've showed you guys in the description box down below. I'll try and do as many as I can, so don't forget to look there if you're interested in anything. Thank you all so much for your love and support recently. I literally love you guys so much. We are so close to 500,000 subscribers. Like, it baffles me. Like, even Bradley was like, that is crazy. So thank you so much, and if you haven't subscribed, please do, because we're so close. You can join the family, you can click the bell notification and that will notify you every single time I upload. But you don't have to do that, it's completely up to you. I hate plugging myself because I feel really awkward doing it, but we are so close. So yeah, it would mean the absolute world to me. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please do give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, like I said, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video on Tuesday, which is actually a full house speed clean, which I know you guys love it as well. So I'll see you guys on Tuesday for that video. Bye.